Welcome back everyone. Today we're practicing frontside pop shove it, and just remember that the pop comes before the shove. It's not a shove pop it. You don't have to shove it super hard. Your board's only doing a 180-degree rotation. You're not doing 360, 540, 720, whatever. So don't put too much energy in doing the frontside shove it. I think people make this trick out to be more than what it is. You're really just focusing on the pop and just adding a little shove it in there along with the pop, and it's more, even at that, it's more focused on the pop than it is the shove it. The board's really gonna, you have to trust the board to do what it's gonna do. And you'll notice at the front foot I have the toes hanging off because the toes are gonna be the first thing that meets the board when it comes right back around, and you wouldn't want to have it in more of a kickflip position because that's the side of the board that the board's going to be rotating, and you really want it to just get out of the way. So it's a lot easier for the foot to get out of the way when it's already on the opposite side of the board. So you'll see that once I pop, it's just, you know, it's going right behind the foot like it should, and it's just allowing it to rotate like it should. So that's why I position the front foot the way that it is. And for the back foot, just like, you know how on a tray flip or a backside shove it, you'll have the toes hanging off on the back foot. Well, it's the opposite for anything frontside. You know, you want to have the heels hanging off. And again, that's just to really use your toes to power the little bit of scoop that's going on there. And that's just, it feels most comfortable in that position for me. So that's why I put it with the heels hanging off on the back end. So that's basically why I set up the way I do. You just want to wait for it to come around, and you know, as you get more comfortable with this, I like to extend the back foot a little and just pop, catch it with the front foot. It just feels better like that. But that's basically it. Don't worry about jumping backwards on this trick. Just try to stay in the same place and just really have the board rotate under you as much as possible. And that's the frontside pop shove it. Just wanted to do a few of them today and go over them, because I think a lot of people have more trouble with this trick when it's really about, you know, putting less effort into it. Sometimes, you know, it's not all about giving your all to a certain trick. It's just about giving the right amount. And I think that goes over a lot of people's heads when they're trying tricks like this that are a lot more simple. A lot more simple than you think they are. Just give what's needed, and you'll see that, you know, physics takes care of the rest. So sometimes I do these practice videos as opposed to start to finish tutorials, just because I like to touch on skateboarding in my own way versus you know, doing a step 1, step 2 type of deal. So those are just my thoughts on the frontside pop shove it. Let me know if you like this format more so than the traditional start to finish tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.